Alright peeps, for today in Bangkok, I'm checking out this new restaurant. Well, new to me, but not very new to Bangkok. It's called Broccoli Revolution. It is a full vegan restaurant and it is on Sukhumvit Soy 49. It's going to be super cool. I'm very interested in this kind of food, vegan, vegetarian, all that sort of stuff these days, so this should be very nice. Alkaline water with cucumbers as well. Oh my god, it actually reminds me of back in the 70s and 80s in the UAE. We used to drink out of aluminum glasses as well. I love it, like you see on the outside, like you feel the coldness of it, and it stays cold longer of course as well. Old school touch. Alright, it looks like our table is ready as well. It is right in the corner. Look at that. We've got this amazing New York style brick overlooking the restaurant. Awesome.
This is the cobra juice, which is this is number 1, and this is number 9. Yeah, in this one we have like kale, spinach, cucumber, celery, green apple, ginger and lime. And this one is a beetroot, carrot, green apple. Yeah, that's it.
Nice.
Yeah, it's very green.
Nice.
Yeah.
Alright peeps, so the food is all here. Now the owner of the restaurant basically set up the whole menu for us. We didn't actually order any one of these things, but she brought out some of the key dishes, some of the popular dishes. First one we got is right here. It is a black quinoa salad. It's got avocado, it's got tomatoes, I can see onions in there, and it's got an apple cider sauce on top of it. The other dish is this one over here, one of my favorite Thai dishes, pad Thai, which is a noodle dish, except they've used chia seeds to make the noodles. There's absolutely no meat, no chicken, none of that amazing fish that goes in there, and you've also got tofu in there for you to have. We've got this one over here, black seed bun burger, and of course it's completely vegan as well, and they've got a mixture of different fries. So you've got taro, you've got sweet potato, and you've got normal potato as well. Got some ketchup over there, and then finally we've got this, which is basically a veggie cutlet made from split peas and Thai herbs, and that looks like sweet and sour type Thai sauce. Alright, about to get eaten. Alright, I'm going to start off in true Arabic fashion with my fingers, one of these veggie cutlets. It's made to be like falafel. It's got a soft texture. Pretty nice and warm. I forgot to dip, but I'm not going to dip from this side. I'm going to dip back from the other side, just in case. Here we go. Sweet and spicy. I said sweet and sour. Wow, that's really good. There is a small chance that people get quinoa wrong. Not over here. Very good. Crunchy vegetables, so super fresh. I'm being very careful because a lot of times I get quinoa stuck in my teeth and I don't want to be embarrassed on camera, but super nice vegetables, and that apple cider sauce is not very strong. It's very light, so it's really nice because you can taste the vegetables. It's so fresh, and all these vegetables are organic, by the way, so super cool. I got me some of this pad Thai, again one of my favorite Thai dishes. Let's see what they did with these noodles. No, I'm gonna eat straight from the bowl. There we go. It's just like normal noodles, just like a normal, very good pad Thai. Alright, get this black seed bun burger next to me. Now this is a huge piece. I don't think I'm gonna finish all of that, so I should cut it. I think this is one of their signature dishes, by the way, and take a quick look. Somebody's already cut it, and take a look at that. That veggie patty looks like it's got tons of vegetables in there. I can definitely see broccoli in there. Hey, broccoli revolution. There's got to be broccoli in there. Take a quick look at that fresh tomato. Looks like pico de gallo. That looks like peppers. Oh, why am I talking so much? Let me cut this. Okay, here we go. It's kind of falling apart a little bit because the patty is not like structured in a way where it's just all like one piece. It's like a little bit of a mash. I can get all of this in my mouth all at one go. That's a lot. Interesting. Obviously, it's not like a patty, and I've had veggie patties before, but they're actually either breaded or they have egg on the outside, so they kind of stay intact. They look like a patty, they feel more like a patty. This is more of a mashed vegetable. Very good. I like it. I like it. Yeah, here's what it looks like on the outside. So make sure I get one of these fries as well. Wow, that is just thick cut fries. Wow. Peeps, this new trend of having healthier restaurants here in Bangkok is absolutely amazing. I mean, it's one of my favorite cuisines in the world, and if I can get it with organic vegetables, fruits, ingredients, generally vegan, vegetarian, anything that's healthier, then you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna double down. This was an amazing restaurant, highly recommended. Let me tell you how to get here. Take the BTS, go to Tongloor Station, which is on Soi 55, and Soi just means road, and then you walk backwards to Soi 49 on the main Sukhumvit highway, and you're there. Enjoy it, peeps. I'm pretty sure you will. Peace out. Peeps, I did say goodbye, but you know when I walked in, I saw this little tray. Check out this video. See, they said it's the best ever banana bread. They know me too well. It's the only thing in the world that I could eat any time of the day. So I have to get, oh, it's warm too. It's gonna be amazing. Alright. Nice and moist. You know what would be great on this? Some butter and some jam. Or peanut butter. Alright, that's enough for you guys. Guys, this is the amazing director, Mr. Toon.
Thank you.
But just give them one smile, please. Yeah, amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's been amazing.
Cameraman.
Cameraman name?
Kyo. Green. I'm Green.
Green. Nice to meet you, Green. It's been amazing hanging out with us.
I'm Ping.
And Ping and
Monkey.
Ping and look at that. He's a big Guns N' Roses fan, just like me.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Amazing. Did fantastastically well. This is Annie. She's managing everything. She's like organized everything amazingly. And over here, Pan Pan. She's been fantastic. This is her first job. She's done an amazing job. Thank you so much. And of course, Neil, right here. Amazing. Thank you very much. Thank you. We're doing all our photos and everything like that. And also right here, Kun Deng, who's been driving us around everywhere. Thank you very much. Fantastic. Great. Thank you. Peeps, I came to Thailand for 1 week on a health and wellness trip, and guess how I feel? You want some help? Amazing trip, everybody. Now, if you watched all my videos and you watched this far, make sure to like the videos, make sure to share the videos, write me some comments, but also, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel so I can keep doing this. Peace out, peeps.